Schneider Electric presents Schneider Charge, the charging station tailored for your home. Schneider Charge is designed for easy and flexible installation, whether indoors or outdoors. With connection options from the bottom, top, or back, you always have the optimal installation solution. The fixed charging cable ensures fast and simple charging. With direct integration into the Monta app or other certified charging apps, you can easily charge when electricity prices are lowest, saving money on your energy bill with just one tap. The innovative anti-tripping module dynamically balances loads, allowing you to charge your car efficiently, even during peak electricity consumption elsewhere in your home. The anti-tripping module can also account for local solar power production, ensuring the charging station optimally utilizes all available energy. Schneider Charge, the solution for safe, efficient, and energy-smart charging. Every day,